So for this video, we're gonna be replacing one of these deck LEDs, and the process, we're just gonna go over how to remove and replace the front left side, but the same process applies for all four sides, including the rear ones. We went over in the previous video how to remove this plastic piece that holds the rear or the front blinker deck LEDs, and for the rear case we went over how to remove this plastic piece to expose the LED. But we'll just focus on this front section. I've already removed this LED. You'll notice that there is a small amount of glue that's holding the bolt. You can simply gently remove that. Once that's off, grab a crescent wrench and loosen the screw. And you don't need a lot of force. Once you just loosen it, just using your finger should be able to remove this. Now, to get to the connector that connects this, you're gonna have to remove the battery. In this case, I just like to lift the battery and shift it in that direction. And then on the control board, there is a slot for all four LEDs. And for this particular case, I've removed just the connector for this one. Fish out the bolt that holds the LED screw. And once that's done, I should just be able to push out the LED out of this housing, just like that. And the installation process is pretty much the same, but in reverse step. So go ahead and insert the connector, LED connector, into the housing and feed in the LED bolt. And once that's in, go ahead and use your finger to tighten the LED mount, LED module, and use a crescent wrench to give it a nice turn to tighten the nut into its position. After that's done, exactly like how we found it, we want to add a small amount of glue, and that'll ensure that the bolt that's holding the LED module will not back out from vibration. While that's drying, I'm going to feed in the LED connector and plug it into the HEV unit. And once that's done, I'm going to install, rather put back the plastic piece for here. Just like that. Boom. Right. Just like that. And much like how we remove this plastic piece, there are two screws holding this plastic piece on the bottom. So we're going to need to install the two screws at the bottom, and you'll just need a Phillips screwdriver to lock those in. Make sure they're tight. Once that's in here, that should be good to go. As mentioned, the same process applies for all four corners of the deck for the LED module. And finally, the test it, go ahead and turn on the lights and make sure all the lights are working. Also the blinker, you can see the lights blink. Okay, that's the deck LED module replacement.